This would grill the chicken really well. Yeah, but look at the wires on the end of that lechord. It looks really dangerous. I know the wires are touching each other on the end of it and everything, but it's okay. It should still work just fine. Oh no! Look it! Flame! I'll take care of that later after our food is done. It's almost done now. What's the fire? Yep, it's cooked. I can't get the fire out. It's still smoking inside the plug. It should be okay. Let's eat. No, I'm going to keep an eye on this. It won't go out and I think we should get some help. It just won't stop. It'll be fine. It's done this before. Yeah, you're right. We'll be okay. The food does look good. Let's eat. Oh good, they're now here to take me home. That's great. Where's my coat? I can't find it. Oh, they're all doors pointing at it. It's right next to the car on the ground. Oh good, I'll go outside.
While you get your coat on, we'll take a ride, and then we'll come back and get you when you're all set.
I should have just grabbed my stuff and hopped in the car. Now I gotta wait.